If you have family that's in jail, do not talk to them, or you'll be asked to step outside.
Hi, how's it going?
Can I have help for a minute?
Sure. I'm waiting for it to pull up.
No, that is not.
Family violence.
Have a seat.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a seat. Not in the first two rows. Have a seat somewhere else.
Yes, Your Honor.
On page 4, Miguel Hernandez,
Yes, Your Honor.
is that with the defense attorney who wanted a speedy trial?
I don't believe so. I've never conferred with this defense attorney.
No. It's, I think it is, because you're saying medical leave. Let me see.
Yeah.
Just 1 second.
I'm just saying, I haven't conferred with her. I don't know if they want to speed a trial.
Oh, it's Jacqueline Freeball.
Bring it up, stuff, you know. So that's all.
All right, thank you. So let me pull this up.
Okay.
So the defense attorney's on that? Okay, I understand.
Just 1 second.
Telling you, it's Thursday, 13th. This statistically Thursday, 13th, of course, it's Friday. It's a, I've been called so many things.
All right, and can we check to see if all the jurors are here yet? Odyssey is moving very slowly for me this morning.
It always does.
Oh.
All right, so. Oh, Swayze's birthday's tomorrow. Oh, my baby. All right, so when will she be back?
August 25th.
All right. Norma, recall Hernandez for August 31st. Miguel Hernandez. And state at that time, you'll need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay. All right, everyone, I'm going to call the docket. When I call the docket, you need to stand and let me know you're here. Otherwise, I'm going to assume you're not, and a warrant may be issued for your arrest. Joseph Matthew Juarez, Christopher Vrumrun, Christopher Adam Vrumrun, Marlon John, Rudolfo Palma. I think he's in misdemeanor court. Lacey Wheat, custody. Jamie Vostell.
That was dismissed.
All right, thank you. Brian Ruiz. Jesus Adrian Inaosa Perez. Stand when your name is called. Jesus Inaosa, you're on the docket twice. Grace Rico. Custody. Esmeralda Garcia. Deputy Laura, for those people who are not here by 9:30, they're to be taken into custody.
None of the first two rows, ma'am. Have it somewhere else.
Julian or Julian Settles, custody is,
Next
thank
one.
you.
Next to her TAC yesterday.
All right, is that Taurus?
Yeah, both yes.
All right, thank you. Milton Franklin. Thank you. Oscar Merlot, custody.
That was transferred to the 437.
I don't know why things continue to appear on the docket, but okay. Nicole Munoz or Muniz, thank you. Heather Lusing. Okay. Miguel Hernandez, Deputy Laura, that's being recalled for August 31st. Rodolfo Cabarrubias. Cavarrubias.
You almost had it right, Judge.
I tried. Mark Anthony Maldonado. Mark Anthony Maldonado. I need to know where you are. You know, from the song.
Have a seat.
Christian Rangel. Christian Jemay Rangel. Rudy Ibalier, custody. Terrence West, custody. John Jacob Vasquez. Alfredo Martinez. Rufino Hernandez, custody. Kevin Rodriguez, custody. D. Anthony Gortley, custody. Alicia Ashante Tenorio.
Tenorio,
George Abaye, custody. Joseph Gonzalez. I was too, right? Alexandria Alvarez, custody.
Present with counsel.
Oh, you're not in custody. Hi.
Has the notation because of the ankle monitor.
All right, thank you. And thank you for being on time and dressing appropriately. Albert Dominguez, custody. All right, anyone else whose name was not called or you came in late? What's your name? Now, here's the thing. Here's the thing. We don't have people answering docket for other people because you're not on the docket.
And so Joe didn't bring him.
just have a seat, ma'am. Okay, just have a seat.
Yes.
Esmeralda.
Esmeralda what? Garcia. All right, so you'll need to be on this side on the second row. Yes. Oh, we have you. Thank you. Anyone else? All right, everyone, we're going to start with our jury trial first. So if you have someone who is an inmate, they're not going to be brought out. until after closing arguments in this jury trial. So anyone else who's on bond and you all are ready, you all know the rules.
That was pretty good. You should be doing squats, ma'am. I can't do that with my knees.
Oh,
Sorry.
Take a roll. Wait a second.
Take a look at it.
Good morning. We're just waiting for 3 jurors.
This is not tied, so I just put alternate on this thing.
Okay, all right, awesome. Thank you. See you, Deputy Laura, we're so glad to have you back.
Come in through the.
No. Vashon, just in case you're wondering, I did not win the $1 billion. But then again, I did not play. So. Hmm? Oh, well, that's nice of you to even say have fun.
You have fun and I'm out.
Yeah.
I'm a billionaire now.
Well, I used to say that I would continue. When I was a defense attorney, I say, well, I'm going to continue out my cases because, they're expecting me to be there. And then as time moved on, it's like, well, you know what? I'm going to give people a month's notice, try to do this. Then as time went on, it's like, yeah, y'all just going to say, where is Stephanie?
Mhm.
She's gone. Where is she?
Gone?
With $1 billion?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking about that.
But yeah, oh no, I wouldn't. But this is what happened that was so funny. Somebody won some money in San Antonio. And I always tell everybody, if I win the lottery, I'm going to give people some money. I'm just going to call your number. And when I call your number, if you don't answer, that's on you. So somebody had won. And I want to say,
Judge Boyd.
yeah. Now I called, I want to say, Vashon, did I call your number or was it Jamisa's? I called somebody's number. I think it was Jamisa. She didn't answer, right? And then next thing I know, I'm getting these back-to-back calls. She thought I had won the lottery. I'm like, no, I didn't win the lottery. But that's my rule. It's like, I'm going to call. You don't answer. That's on you.
Yeah, that's anything we could.
But I think I haven't won the $1 billion or anything because I would give it away. And I guess that's not what's supposed to happen. Yeah. Because I wouldn't do that thing where you buy the 30-room mansion. What do I need with a 30-room mansion? The most that I would probably do is I would travel nonstop, just stay in one place. And then when I get tired of watching the sunset in that place, I'll go to the next place. And that's what I would do. That would be my biggest expense. And I would only have a carry-on and buy whatever I need there. One of my friends, that's what they do. They just take a backpack of sort of like their essentials. And then they buy whatever clothes they have there. And then after they get ready to leave, they take them to the laundry. Then they take them to whatever shelter and just leave them and keep going.
That's unbelievable.
Christopher Adams.
Oh, they have a National Wellness Month.
Local
They're doing it from August 17th to August 21st.
Sounds like they're fishing.
Julian Settles. How does he want to second one?
Watch out.
That's fine, that's one.
And it's a couple minutes and I'll be, the jury's on my side. If you want, this is the.
Rashawn, have you finished watching your AI story? Oh, I'm telling you, some of it,
Please pay for it. No.
no, I don't pay for any, no.
I'm not. There's some that you see the whole
And then I
series.
try.
But I watch all of it, but then I can't do them.
I don't know. Let me just tell you, I watched the whole series with Apollo. I watched the whole series with some sort of man living underneath the water. And
The merman?
he's like blue or something,
Yeah.
like had a blue tinge. Yes. I'm telling you, we've come a long way since the vegetable series.
Oh, I never liked the vegetable to the fruit one. It was
Yeah.
horrible.
Made you not want to eat fruit. Vashawn, can I see you for a moment? Around here.
It's here with all the details. And see, I have to use that time. Deputy Laura, are all the jurors here?
Yes, just give me a minute.
All righty. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So attorneys, we're going to proceed with closing arguments, and then we will come back after they finish their closing arguments to take up whatever is on the docket. Each side has 5 minutes for closing argument, so it
You're
should be.
funny, Judge.
Yeah, just seeing if they're awake. So each side is going to have 15 minutes for their closing. Do y'all need a time announcement?
May I have a 2-minute warning, please?
All right. See, I keep trying to slip that in.
I may be tired, but I'm not asleep.
And you all have your charge, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we're going to go on the record.
Business, anything. Yes.
You don't want to look at what it shows this here.
Yes. Let's do this. There's a two, one, two,
Yes, I was thinking they're probably gonna wonder, who is this? Yeah, and is she going to testify?
one, two.
Like almost everything.
Yes. Hey, it's rare that happens.
Yeah.
So don't get used to that. Yeah. Esmeralda Garcia. If you'll come forward, please.
Hey, Matt.
Hello. Hi. Your attorney,
Yes, I
have you had any contact with him?
The last thing that I had, when I came in to talk to him, he had took that number and so for this years. And then I got my court date set till today, and then I spoke to him. I thought he was gonna be here.
All right, so I can have someone from MAC come and speak to you.
Okay.
What I can tell you, he's currently in trial in another county, but I can have MAC speak to you and then they can let you know what your options are, okay?
Okay.
All right, just have a seat and I'll have them come down.
Thank
Call MAC to come down.
Yes, sir.
First one.
We also do the remarkable.
Robert Porter. Robert Porter.
Whoops, I'm sorry.
Yes. Yes.
That case that I was talking to you about yesterday.
Anyone ready? All right, thank you.
Are you on the 20?
Yeah, just call it.
Right up, right? They're in agreement. I just want to get this extra fix it.
Yes, thank you. They're gonna.
There was an NTR and you were gonna do this position today. So her attorney, I know for a fact, is not in the county right now.
We don't need that.
So, you can judge the Tenorio, Tenorio. I think she's on the docket as that, but I have her as Lindsay. Yeah.
All right, we're going to go on the record on 2022 CR 3924 State versus Alicia Tenorio. And state, this is just to see if she's done the things that I've asked her for. Yes. Hello. Hi, are you Miss Tenorio? All right, so you were here before me on July 21st, 2026. And there was a plea to violation of condition number 2, and the court stated that I wasn't going to make disposition on that case until you did separate certain things because you were due to expire. So the report I received from probation is that you've been doing everything. So, well, and I understand too that you had an accident. How are you coping with that? That's okay. Well, this is what I'm going to tell you. Like bad things happen in life. Sometimes bad things happen to good people. Sometimes bad things happen to people who are not considered good people. But the question is how you respond to those. And so you're currently on probation. For this court, you responded well to what the court has asked you to do. probation has informed me that you've been taking your drug tests. Those drug tests have come back clean. This is what I want to stress to you. You're going through something right now because you've had this accident. You got to respond to that appropriately. Otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening? You're going to fall off track. You can't fall off track. You can't start back using. You can't do any of that. Because if you do, you're going to come back into court. It may be another prosecutor, another judge, who knows what will happen. So the key for you is to, that's okay. People only whisper when they're on the record themselves, and so the court reporter can't hear. Am I right?
Sorry.
Yes. So just make sure that you use all your support systems. If you need more support, I'm still here. I'll be here till the beginning of January. You can come back here, and even though I'm going to terminate your probation in a good way, you can still come back and see me. If there's some issue, I can pick up the phone, call somebody to get you help. Now, I'm terminating your probation today. Don't get out there going crazy, okay? All right. Stay on track. Stay on the path. This is your chance. God is giving you this chance, okay? All right, you're welcome. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Have a great rest of your day. You too. And Ms. Abrams, you can put terminated successfully. All right, anyone ready?
Yes, Judge, page 4, fourth one down. Sort of local Guadalupe.
Rubius. How's everything going?
Morning, Judge. How you
Good
doing?
morning. Are you done with taking children to ball games and all of that? Or are you still on duty?
No,
Well, it'll happen again with the grandchildren when that happens.
that'll be their issue, not mine. Yeah.
That's what my mom always says with grandchildren. She's like, it's not my duty to discipline. This is the fun house.
Yeah, no.
So, but when you treat your grandchildren a certain way, your children will say, you didn't let us do that. Why can we have cookies for breakfast? Yeah. All right. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
It's our first setting check.
Mhm.
So I need to make sure I have all the discovery.
Okay. And State, were you able to tender an offer?
Not at this point, Judge, but we can if you necessitate it.
All right. Make sure you tender an offer, and then you all will need to confer off docket if there's some negotiation on the docket. Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date in 45 days. Is that enough time?
It should be enough, Judge.
September 20, let's do the 29th, Judge.
All right, September 29th. Do you have any questions? All right, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. You're welcome. Just have a seat and they'll bring the reset form to you. All right, who's next?
We're waiting for the defendant to be brought up, Judge. I'll give you this to you.
Also comes back from out there, it's like this one peer to peer program. And that's like, okay.
All right, what page was Tenorio on?
Scenario's on page 4, fourth one down.
Ah, thank you.
Wait, scenario was on page 6 there.
All right, thank you. Hello.
Oh, you're up. Yeah.
Hi. You know, believe it or not, my magnolia still has a bloom on it.
And I've been getting some sports every once in a while. I'll see one.
They're just bringing her.
Well, my magnolia, it's one of those jewels, so it's just
They
this
went to go
high.
get her from her.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I'm
Not
like,
a million.
yeah.
I need a policy.
You need what?
Policy.
Sorry. Okay.
Sure.
I know the general rule, you've got to have my client here for the fee to get a policy.
Yeah, sorry.
If he's got an
Maybe I'll have to
MTR,
go get her.
the MTR has a single allegation,
I'll have her call right now.
Yes.
it's a family violence assault that both parties say never happened. So I just need to get his in here so I can get a bond set.
Yes.
Supervisor at Toyota, so you really can't, spend a week or two in jail.
Sure.
If I bring it in.
Yeah, first thing,
What?
first thing in the morning.
First thing in the morning.
Because if you're asking, and check with the deputies to see if they'll transfer him
And I don't know.
to the satellite. I would speak to family violence, and maybe, who knows, maybe they can look at the case and see that the case is nothing and they'll withdraw.
And we've already withdrawn partially because I brought the wife in. And they have agreed to no harmful or injurious conduct.
Well, I would talk to the state.
Okay.
Yes, and see what they say.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
It's already on, Alvarez. I thought she was, in custody, but she's here.
And what pages are they on?
They are on page 7, number 2 and number 3.
All right, this is probation case. Where is the probation documents? I mean, is this a PSI? What is it?
It's, motions, modify the bond conditions.
Ah,
What would you
so
need?
there's no motion to revoke?
No.
Okay. Yes,
I did speak with, Miss,
yes. Does she want another attorney?
no,
Bye-bye. Thank you.
no, she wants to stay with Mr. Hopkins.
All right, have her come up.
Deferral.
Hello. All right, so you want to keep the attorney you have?
Yes.
All right, Norma, recall this for the 19th.
Your Honor, she does work, so we were asking if,
Here's the problem. She works, but this case has been set on the docket with the court. This is the second time and nothing has happened because the attorney hasn't been here. And let me just tell you. Yeah, so we've been here on the last court setting we had was June, and we moved it to August 13th.
Mhm.
So nothing has happened on this case because the attorney hasn't been here. So
and I know Mr. Hopkins on trial and come out,
Yes.
but just for her work purposes, she has to give them at least 2 weeks notice.
all right, Norma, set this for, I'm sorry, August 24th.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And then we'll get the reset order.
Yes.
Oh,
And counsel, if Mr. Hopke is not here for
okay,
that next setting, I'm gonna need y'all here.
okay,
Because again, this has been floating around since June and there is nothing that has happened.
okay, I'll calendar it.
All right, thank you. Just give me a moment. Yes, counsel.
Said this point just for restitution. Brandon has advised me that there is none. Do you need my client to get on Zoom just to do that?
Mm-hmm.
And then let me.
All
call
right,
him and make sure he does.
yes.
Or I'll come tell you.
All right, thank you. All right, State, have you had a chance to confer on Alexandria Alvarez? Who is the, all right, do you have any objections to the defense's request?
No, Judge.
Okay, all right, Ms. Alvarez. All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 10964 and 2024 CR 2671, State versus Alexandria Alvarez. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Christine Brown on behalf of Alexandria Alvarez.
And are you Miss Alvarez? All right, defense, you file a motion for modification of conditions of community supervision. What are you asking for?
We're just simply asking for removal of the ankle monitor that was imposed in October of 2025, as she is also serving parole. She's under supervision, and so we believe that that ankle monitor as condition of the deferred is overly restricted.
All right. And state, any objections to the removal?
No, Judge, no objection from the state.
All right. And defense, I've read the document that you submitted to the court. Thank you so much for being very thorough, because sometimes people will ask for things and I have to ask all these extra questions. So I appreciate you for having that done. All right, the court has signed the motion. Probation, the GPS will be removed on both cause numbers. Do you need the order? All right, counsel, I'm gonna write, because I don't see the other, did you file it under both cause
I
numbers?
said there should be 2 proposed orders.
All right, let me see if I can find the other one. I know you would have.
It should be second to the last page, Judge.
Okay. All right, I found one, but I didn't see the other. If you can just point it out to me. So
All right.
here we go. That's why I didn't have it. I don't know who keeps doing that. All right, I'll give this to the clerk, and if you want a copy, they'll make a copy for you.
Sure.
All right, is there anything else you need? Is everything going out well with you on probation?
Sir.
Any concerns that need to be addressed? All right, thank you. She'll give you the order and they should be removing it today. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good one. All right, counsel, I see Victoria Cruz on Zoom. Has your client zoomed in? Is he the Samsung person? All right, who is the person on Zoom with Samsung? If you can call and check to see, is this your client? All right,
That's
I need
interesting.
you, I need you to unmute, sir.
Unmuted.
All right, and you're Joseph Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Court is calling 2026 CR 0000063, State versus Joseph Gonzalez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Brandon Martinez from Mr. Gonzalez.
And are you Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, ma'am.
Any objection to your client appearing by Zoom?
No.
Any objection from the state?
No, Judge.
All right, we're here for a restitution hearing. So, state, is there any restitution?
No, Judge, we spoke with the complainant and were advised insurance covered it, so no restitution is being sought.
All right, Ms. Abrams, on this case, there is no restitution that's due.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, is there anything else?
No.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, any question? Is everything going well for you on probation?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court, and you are excused.
All right. Thank you. You have a good day.
Thank you. Bye, Victoria. Thank you, guys. Christopher Roman. Marlon John. Now, where is he?
He was a sweetheart, he just started a new job,
Okay.
and this is a discovery hearing.
Oh, now I'm just going through the people who
Oh, I
are here.
apologize.
Yes, that's okay. Marlon John.
This was the one I don't remember Hannah showed up a day or two ago to ask about him not appearing today in person because then you excused him.
Okay, thank you. Marlon John. Rudolfo Palma. Thank you. You need to be on the second row on this side. Mark Maldonado. You need to be on the second row. Yes. Okay. I can't see that far. All right, just have a seat. Sorry. I don't have my glasses on, so I just see blurred people. Thank you. Christian Rangel. Christian Rangel. Alfredo Martinez. Okay. So are you all ready on Vroman?
It's ready now, sir.
All right, come forward.
On page one, Judge, second down. No. Okay.
Yeah, I have it in my notes. Appearance excused due to employment.
Thank you. It's a good reason.
Well, here's the thing. I make sure that everything is here. So if I'm not here, somebody knows what's happening. So CPS records.
So
Yeah,
what's going on is everything that's on the indicted case that's on the docket is here. He had a second case come about because after maybe one or two settings ago, another outcry was made by a child and a new case was sent over to our office. So I was working on trying to get all this discovery together for that. To my knowledge, I believe I have everything in, but I haven't confirmed with this trial. I should be pretty close to being in a position to where I can present the case to the grand jury to see if they return not, and in which case I then can disclose all the discovery associated with that case to Mr. Hagee.
Was he on the case that you're,
I don't know if he's been hired on the second case yet or not.
are you hired on the other case?
We will be, Your Honor.
All right, so
I can,
there we go.
I will
So
disclose
do
it.
y'all have the CPS? Does he have CPS records?
For this indicted case, he's got everything, yes, Your Honor.
We've had the new records that will come, and I imagine they will have some impact on my case as well.
More than likely, yes.
All right, y'all are gonna have to confer off docket.
Yes, Your Honor.
Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 60 days.
Thank you, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor. And my client will need to be present at the next setting, Your Honor.
Yes. All right, October 12th.
Yeah.
Well, defense, actually, if you all come to an agreement, he'll need to be present. If for some reason you all don't have an agreement and he wants a jury trial, he doesn't have to be present. I don't want him to.
Oh, okay, I
Miss-
understand.
Yes. You're welcome. Anyone else ready?
Thank you.
State on page 1 on Rudolfo Palma, did he enter his plea in misdemeanor court? Because I think that was your agreement.
This number, page 6 at the bottom.
Who is on George Abaye?
He's in custody, May come forward.
Yes.
All right, this morning.
Oh, I'm doing great. I can't complain. It's a beautiful day. Glad to be alive. Good morning. So what's happening on this motion to revoke?
So, Your Honor, Mr. Abay has several pending matters.
Yes. So, yeah, what's happening on the motion?
State's ready to proceed, Judge. Evidence was disclosed on 8/2 at 12:15. However, counsel today advised he had not reviewed or gotten notification of said evidence.
But more importantly, Judge, a global offer to resolve all of Mr. Abay's matters was provided this morning. And I need to run that through an immigration attorney to give him proper legal advice about that.
Oh, y'all need to do that today. You guys are set today for a contested motion to revoke. So I suggest y'all,
I just received this offer.
no, you all need to do whatever y'all gonna do today because it's set for a contested hearing.
Yes,
So your witness is ready?
Witnesses in the witness room, Judge.
All right, so. All right, step back. Y'all are set for contested today. All right, who's next?
That's all we have right now, Judge.
All right, thank you.
The other one has decided they're gonna plead, so we're waiting on paperwork.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, Judge.
On Abaye, I'm showing that. How long has this MTR been pending?
Sure.
Because this was the agreed date for the contested that everybody agreed on.
Correct.
I'll put in here.
MTR,
Oh, I see it since July 23rd. Is that correct?
that's when the MTR was served.
All right. So, yeah. So this has been since July.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
Okay, I'll get over just waiting for them. And then I just put the one for settles.
Anyone ready?
Yes, Judge, on page 4, second from the bottom, Mark Anthony Maldonado.
Mark Anthony Maldonado, come forward. Morning. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Sure.
But court starts at 9 a.m. So don't be late, okay?
I wasn't pre-indicted. I'm supposed to be here in this court this morning.
All right, so
I've never-
just, no, don't be late, okay?
No.
All right, so what is happening with this case?
Judge, we confirmed with the state, they made us an offer, rather for one reset to review the discovery,
All right.
contemplate the offer.
How old are you, sir?
47.
All right, Norma, set this for a plea deadline date in 3 weeks. All right, we'll see you back on September 3rd, okay?
Right here?
Yes, and they're gonna give you a reset form. Just have a seat in your attorney.
Judge, I'm out that week, we do the following week,
Norma, he's out September 3rd.
that week.
All right, your plea deadline date is September 10th. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring the reset form to you, okay? All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
That's all I have right now. Oh, yeah. That's all I have right now, Judge. You're just waiting on plea paperwork.
Thank you, Deputy Laura.
Appreciate it, whatever they say. He hasn't shown up all of them. And I did check in the county clerk six, because he has missed them for a bit longer, so. I'm gonna continue. To follow, and that's what I'll be around. Cases from-
He's. I mean, I gotta finish that bit. That's what to look like.
Renee, they were saying that maybe your client was in federal custody. He's not in federal custody, is he?
Is this Marvin John?
Yes.
Oh, well, that might explain why he's not here and haven't been able to get in touch with him.
Let me see. Let me check something.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
And then I know we're still waiting for a video.
On John, yeah.
Yeah.
It did update me that, it was a covert unit.
Okay. All right, just 1 second. Oh no, remain, just.
This week.
Yeah, it's gonna be on page 2, Judge, at the top.
Hello. Let me see. Right, so we're here for discovery.
Yes, Judge.
And so there was outstanding CPS records.
So the state did update me, that, an affidavit was tendered to them that, there's no existence of any TPS records.
Okay.
That is correct, Your Honor. I have disclosed that affidavit of no records to Renee.
So now that we as the defense know that there's no possible CPS records floating around, we believe that all discovery is complete at this point in time, Judge.
Mhm.
We did do an acknowledgement of discovery, and we are asking for a trial date, Judge. I did confer with the prosecution, and they did state that they would have an opening for Tuesday, October 6th, if the court also had availability.
All right, Norma. Jury trial, they're saying, let me see. Norma, they're saying October 6th. Can you put this on the 5th though for selection?
Jury selection October 5th. Awesome, Your Honor. It's good.
All right, so we will have you brought over dressed for trial. Counsel, if there's an issue with the clothing exchange, let the court know,
Yes.
and you'll need to sign an exchange form, okay? Do you have any questions? All right, we'll see you back on October 5th for your jury trial. Thank you. Anyone else ready? And they're gonna reapproach on that.
Okay.
Oh, and that needs to be found.
Nothing right now, just waiting monthly papers to be presented.
Sure. All right, Mr. Martinez, are you ready on Joseph Juarez?
Yes.
All right, Joseph Juarez,
I remember one. Walking on page one, judge at the top.
yes.
Mercy for the stuff.
Ah, oh, well,
I mean, not that we were, on pins and needles.
yeah, okay. All right, so on Joseph Juarez. Last time we were here, sanity evaluation, was that completed?
Yes.
And the results? Same?
Same.
It's saying yes.
Okay. So now we are back with the jury trial. Do y'all still requesting a jury trial?
Well, actually, Judge, we want another crack at the sanity evaluation. We were trying to find an independent doctor that we could get appointed to do a secondary one. In my visits with the staff in Judge Rodriguez's court, they suggested to me that if I filed a second request, they could have a different doctor do it.
So when is that gonna be done?
Well,
I mean, you need to file it. When?
well, it needs to happen today, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
So we did all that legwork and didn't get the last step of it, which is the order signing. Done. That's on me, obviously.
I'm sorry, getting it.
Getting the order.
Okay,
for
where's
second
the order?
evaluation. I need to file that motion with the second orders. That's where I dropped the ball. But,
Oh, well, we're gonna fix the error.
yes, of course,
Just 1 second.
because part of the reason for the second evaluation, Judge, so you're aware, in reviewing the report, the first sanity report, there was information that wasn't available to the doctor or wasn't shared with him. And I think we confirmed that with Dr. Thompson. And so, but instead of having him redo his report, we wanted to get a second opinion. That way, put that issue to rest once and for all.
Could you hand me what's in the printer, please?
Yes.
There you go.
Awesome. Thank you, Judge.
And if you will get them to file stamp it, and you can take it down there. And then we are going to recall this in 30 days. So to the clerk, that request for a second is sanity evaluation. They need to do that.
Okay.
Oh, you know what? Did I write on there a request for a second sanity evaluation?
Yes.
I said second sanity.
Yes.
All right, thank you, because sometimes they will say, oh, we've already done a sanity evaluation.
So it says.
Okay. All right, recall for 30 days for an update on the sanity.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. What date?
The 14th.
All right, September 14th. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Norma, they'll be in the morning.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Got it. Got it. In the afternoon, so that should work perfect.
All right. And I'm not saying it's anybody before me, because it's not you, Mr. Martinez, it's not you, and it's not you. But why am I getting a whiff of alcohol this early in the morning? Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
So, it's like-
Attorney. Thought it was just me.
It's strong.
Yeah, it hit me out of nowhere.
I'm the only one that came into the room.
I know Oscar Salinas. It's not Oscar.
I took a look, Judge, it's not him.
It's not him. Okay, thank you. See, he didn't really mean to hug you. He just wanted to see. Yeah.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
How are you doing? Good. How are you doing? We're trying to practice now.
Welcome to the glorious side of the defense.
Having me, Judge.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
All right. Yeah.
I have a little card
Yay.
right here.
Oh, I like the design.
My wife created it.
Oh, well, she needs to charge you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Well,
I'll send
welcome.
her-
Make sure you give Norma a copy of your card as well.
I will, Judge.
Okay.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, did you sign up with the federal court system? Federal court to get on there.
Oh.
Be a stranger.
I have a friend that does only CPS in Wilson County.
Mhm.
That's probably where he.
Yes.
Wilson.
All right. Anyone else ready?
Yes, Judge, on page 6, first one down, Kevin Rodriguez.
Kevin Rodriguez. Hi, how are you feeling?
Pardon me?
How are you doing?
I'm feeling better.
Yeah.
I had a Stony Church's chicken.
Ah. All right, Kevin Rodriguez. Come on down.
And stuff.
Hello, how you doing? All right.
Your Honor, you have the motion to revoke.
Yes.
You picked up 2 more cases.
All right, can I see the motion to revoke on this one?
I'm sorry.
I have a
Judge.
copy of, I got it right here, Your Honor. Here you go.
Thank you. Attorneys, when you approach the clerk, let them know what you're approaching on, if your client is on probation or not. All right, who's the state on Kevin Rodriguez? Yes, he's on page 6.
Picked up 2 more cases.
Hi, have y'all conferred?
No, yeah, no.
All right, so if y'all will step back and confer so everybody can be on the same page.
All right,
All right, thank you.
thank you.
Who's next?
On page 2, 3, and third and fourth one has to see the house.
I'm sorry, who?
Page 2, it's gonna be Jesus in the house.
All right, Jesus and Aosa. It seems to be crazy today for just resets.
Yeah.
All right, State, have you spoken with the complaining witness?
We have been unable to do so. The mother never allows us to do so unfortunately.
So at the end of the day, here's the question from the court.
Yeah.
And mind you, I try to stay in my lane, but it seems that 2026 CR 00285 is a complainant-driven case. And that maybe if the complainant is not here, then maybe the state may not be able to prove his case. I don't know. I don't know the facts of the case. I'm just looking at the charge.
Maybe if we approach off record, Your Honor, I can fill you in on what we're thinking.
Sure. Your client come on. But yeah, it was the queen of attachments. I should probably do class on attaching
You should.
witnesses.
You should.
All right, so on this case, do you have all of the discovery?
Well, except for what they weren't able to give me, because it was my suggestion that they talk to the complainant, because there were issues I wanted them to explore with her.
Okay.
So I don't have the discovery in the sense that they've never been able to answer those questions.
All right, so we have 2026 CR 00285 and 2026 CR 00286. So the state has been working on contacting the complainant since June. How long is this jury trial gonna last?
It depends on whether the court's ruling is on the admissibility of the outcry. It'd be pretty short if
I would
one
imagine
way or the other, yes.
with jury selection, maybe 2 days at most, if we are able to go this route that we explained to the court,
Okay.
which will require the dispositive hearing prior to obviously the
All
trial.
right, Norma, set this for jury trial and plea deadline date. They're saying 2 to 3 days. And note that this has been on the docket since April, so it needs to be tried.
So Judge, are we gonna be able to get a hearing on that motion pre-trial?
Sure.
Okay. Well, not pre-trial, the day of trial, but like in advance, so to give us time to reevaluate our plea bargaining, depending on the court's ruling.
All right, Norma, set this at the beginning of September, well, mid-September, to have no, not for jury trial. The beginning of September to have a trial on his motion on what is admissible.
On the outcry, yes.
And state, make sure your outcry person is here.
Yes, sure.
All right, what date?
I can do the 14th, September 14th for the motion,
All right, and when will be jury trial?
September 28th.
All right. So you'll need to be here September 14th and September 28th. September 14th is a hearing on defense's motion. And September 28th will be jury trial date and plea deadline date. All right, do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, thanks for dressing appropriate for court. Just have a seat. Your attorney will bring you your reset form. You're welcome. Okay, the alcohol has finally left. Didn't it just like,
Out of nowhere.
yeah. And I thought,
It was like.
yes, and I thought it was me. I was like, am I smelling alcohol?
Yeah.
I mean, it was very strong. It was just like bam. Hello.
I guess I can't be.
Yes, how's it going?
How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. I can't complain. Mom is doing great. Family's doing great. Hey, if that's happening, life is good, right? Okay. All right, who's next?
Give me 1 second, sir.
And you know, yesterday I wasn't able to get my salad, but today I will have my salad. Ah,
It's Michael Munoz. Muniz, I'm sorry, page 4, 1 down.
Nicole Muniz. Hello, good morning. How's everything going?
Trying to get back into the swing of things.
Ah, so how's everything with family and everything?
If she makes it through Tuesday, my mother will be 96.
Oh, that's a great year. She's gonna make it.
And my daughter will be 45 the day before.
Ah, well, tell your mom and your daughter I said happy birth month.
Thank you.
Okay. So on this case, thank you, one, for dressing appropriately for court and showing up on time, because some people don't do that. So where are we on discovery?
We have just conferred with the state. The police report says there is a ring camera video on this.
Mhm.
The state does not have it, and they are going to try to get that.
All right, Norma, recall this for 30 days for discovery. And state at that time, you'll need to tender an offer. All right, September 14th, once you sign the reset form, you're excused, just have a seat and your attorney will bring the form to you. All right, thank you. And I'm so sorry, are you employed?
No.
Okay, all right, thank you. I'm asking because maybe you could appear by Zoom since it's a discovery issue. All right, thank you.
Judge, I'm preparing a plea.
All right, anyone else ready? Other than the person I'm waiting for the plea?
I'm just ready for you.
You ready? Yes. All right, can I see Abay, please?
Yes.
All right, yes, so what is happening?
We're ready to put you.
All right, I need a trial court certification.
They're on the wall.
How are you doing this morning? All right, the court, thank you.
Can you step forward and sign this, Judge?
Yes. Thank you. State.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, the court is calling 2023 CR 3141 State versus George Abay. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Shannon Locke for Georgia Bio.
And are you Mr. Abay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Judge Abay who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 3141 for the offense of assault causing bodily injury family member on September 30th, 2025 for a term of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Violated condition number one, on or about the 9th day of June 2026 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant George Chim Anakpa Abaye committed the offense of fraud, use, possession, identifying info, 5 items in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
Violated condition number one, on or about the 9th day of June 2026 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant George Chimankpa Abaye committed the offense of failure to identify, giving false/fictitious info in violation of condition number one.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True, ma'am.
State will waive the remaining allegations.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violations 1 and 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 1 year in the Bear County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of conditions 1 and 1? I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will find 1 and 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Judge, the proposed agreement is to grant state's motion at revoke and sentence to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Take into consideration clauses 2026 PF 24124 and 2026 PF 24125 and run concurrent with causes
Wait,
2025
just 1 second. Current with,
2025
Mhm.
CC 011311 and 2026 CC 010449.
I'm sorry, could you do the last numbers after the CC?
010449.
The problem is when I look at the home run keys, instead of just doing it, it's like,
Sorry, Judge.
oh, no problem. That's on me. All right. Is that the proposed agreement?
It is the proposed agreement, Your Honor. It's for the maximum that the court allowed. So. You follow that agreement.
Are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is finding 1 and 1 true. The court will grant the motion, find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 1 year in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for any time served. There's a $500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. There's to be no contact with rights to appeal with your attorney. Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Anyone else ready?
Yes.
Julian Settles.
All right, did y'all finish conferring on Kevin Rodriguez? All right, thank you.
That's a good one. And I don't have one point, so I can think about that. Probably say AIB.
All right, everyone, the court is recessing at noon. So those of you who are not ready, you're gonna have to come back in the afternoon.
Like, I don't ever say that. I mean, I don't ever use that.
And State, do you know if the plea ever happened on Rodolfo Palma for the misdemeanor court?
I believe it has, Judge, but I'll confirm that for you.
All right, thank you.
Ready, Your Honor?
You're on Rodriguez?
Yes.
All right, come forward. Kevin Rodriguez. Hello. All right. So this is a motion to revoke. So where are we?
Judge, I believe that there are a couple of new number ones. The labs for the drug offense are in. However, looking at the aggravated assault, it's pretty egregious. There's going to be a lot of medical records that we're still waiting on, and those have yet to be made discoverable to defense.
All right,
We don't
when
have
is that going to be done?
I'm sorry, Judge?
When will that be done?
I'll talk to the intake prosecutor and see if we can fast track this.
All right, and are you on the aggravated assault?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So Norma, recall this for 45 days for a contested hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And then State, if you want to withdraw, it's completely up to you all.
Of course, Judge.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
September 28th.
All right, September 28th will be your contested hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a seat there. Oh, wait, let me. What happened to you?
Huh?
What happened? Have you got a police issue?
Don't eat your chicken.
Are you ready for another? Did it go down? Mom?
Just give me a moment.
Oh, I couldn't,
All
I
right,
had to
yeah.
be like 2 feet away from my family. It was coming out close and.
Rufino Hernandez Alamon.
So you could have gotten.
Yes, that's what I thought, and I'm like, I was sitting really forward about this, I'm working on my bleeding, and I woke up about 5 o'clock.
All right, why is this case so old?
Your Honor, the defendant was not in custody until very recently.
All right, so do you have all discovery?
No, we talked about it, so probably gonna get it tomorrow. By the office wants to get it.
Yes, Your Honor, I've instructed him to have his paralegal contact me so I can make sure they're set up on discovery properly, and I've informed him he can give me a hard drive that I can give him a physical copy of it.
All right, and so there are no CPS, all discovery is in?
I believe it is. If it's not, then I will address that once we're able to give that to him. I believe so.
Okay. Norma, set this for a plea deadline date and a jury trial in 60 days. Sure.
And we will.
And then if you all have an agreement before then, you can come back before then, but otherwise, this is an old case.
I'm sure you are.
Yes.
Thank you.
And if the defense finds anything that hasn't been tendered that he believes should have, we'll inform the court. So.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
I'll just move it. All right, October 20th will be your jury trial date. Oh, just a second. Does he need an interpreter?
He does, Sheriff.
All right, have him have a seat. Norma, call an interpreter down. Who's here on, Julian Settles? Thank you. Is there an application in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
We have an agreement for probation.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing? How's life been treating you?
It's going better.
Well, it's good. It's improving. Okay. Court is, everyone, please whisper. Talk the way you talk when you're before the court and we're on the record and the court reporter can't hear because people are whispering. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 005993 State versus Julian Settles. Can I have parties announced?
Brandon Prada for the state.
Charles Gold for Mr. Settles.
And are you Mr. Settles? Are they spelling his name correctly in this with only one T? Okay, thank you. Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Abrams, this is Julian Settles, and it's an application. Did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
We do, Your Honor.
State proceeding as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right. Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 less than 1 gram as a repeater. So that makes it a 3rd-degree felony if the state is able to prove up the enhancements. Your range of punishment will be anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Counsel, has your client been able to provide any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Settles, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on the indictment as presented. You're to agree that you've been previously convicted of a felony for purposes of enhancement. Punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in prison. There's a $1,000 fine to be probated. State recommends community supervision. They're taking in consideration 2026 CC 012698 and 2026 CC 012700. There's $120 restitution to the Bexar County Crime Lab for testing. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, ma'am.
State defense, is that your plea?
It is a plea, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor, and you understand that there's no motion to suppress that.
No, yes, sir.
Okay.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, the DOEP course, and random UAs. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? To the enhancement, how do you plead? True or not true?
True.
State any evidence.
Judge, we offer state exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
No objections.
State, you may be excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of judgments, witnesses' statements, and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. The court will find the enhancement true based upon your plea of true and based upon states exhibits 1 and attachments. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yeah, we just ask that you follow the agreement.
All right. Here's the thing. You're not allowed to ride a bicycle on the roadway where there's a sidewalk provided. And believe it or not, you're not allowed to ride a bicycle and make turns without making the appropriate signal that you're turning. And if it's at nighttime, your bike must be illuminated. Those are the rules. Now, some people will ride their bike on the sidewalk and police just pass them by. Some people ride their bike on the sidewalk and police will pull them over. The problem is you are not allowed to ride your bicycle on a sidewalk, and you're not allowed legally, you're violating the law, to ride your bicycle at night if there's no illumination. Do you understand? All right, so how long have you been using?
Probably been like a couple of years, man, like not really too long. It's been like maybe like three or four. But I just like, you know what I'm saying?
Well, I mean, this happened in January 29th, 2026. So when you were using, how often were you using?
It wasn't really too much of an often thing. Like it's really more like a part of thing type stuff. Like it depends on where I was, like type stuff. It wouldn't be like on an everyday basis.
All right, do you have any children?
Yeah, I got my little boy.
How old is he?
He's gonna be 5 years old this year.
And does he live with you?
Me and his mother be working it out sometimes. It's here and there. I'm really trying to get my own stuff back together so I can go to my job court.
All right, and what's with the tattoos?
The tattoos has just been like a thing like to do with like a pain thing, like, you know what I'm saying?
All right, any gang affiliation? What's the neck tattoo for?
Where I'm from.
And where is that?
In the southeast side of San Antonio.
Oh, so you need to put southeast on your neck to let people you're from the southeast. Usually there are things associated with this. Could you not just look at a map and know where you're from? Do you love the southeast so much that you wanted it tattooed on your neck?
No, I kind of mistake this one.
Yeah. Here's the thing with tattoos, go at it. But if you're going to do tattoos, make sure that they mean something to you because, at the end of the day, that's with you for the rest of your life, unless you have someone do a laser. Like is that the Pillsbury Play-Doh person with dollar signs and a top hat? How you gonna cook in the kitchen with a top hat? All right. Has there been any type of mental health issues with you in the past? How far did you go in school?
Well, I started like in the 10th grade.
Why?
It was because due to my incarceration, like I started getting arrested at like 17. Well, like I started getting arrested at like 14.
Okay, arrested for what?
Like just minor stuff, like weed possessions, like stuff. Wasn't really too much.
All right. So would he be appropriate for felony drug court or no?
I didn't get that, Judge. I'm sorry. I don't think so. I think not yet, at least.
Well, we're gonna see. We're gonna do a referral to felony drug court because I want you to have a good start on probation. I don't want to just send you out in the world unprepared because if you started getting arrested in your younger years for drugs, that's an issue and we need to help you get control of that, okay? All right, so court is going to find you guilty as previously stated. The enhancement is true. The court will sentence you to 4 years in prison, suspended and probated for 4 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home healthcare provider with minors. There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated. Take in consideration 2026 CC 012698 and 2026 CC 012700. There's restitution to the Bear County Crime Lab in the amount of $120. I'm going to want field visits one time per month for 6 months. 120 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once you complete the parenting classes, 60 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 60 hours will be deemed satisfied if you obtain your GED or some type of trade school certification. So probation, I'm not necessarily ordering that he obtains his GED because sometimes when there's like this big gap, the test becomes more difficult. But if you sign up for it, if you get your GED or if you get a trade school certification, 60 hours will be deemed satisfied. If you don't do it, you're going to have to do 60 hours community service in this heat. You understand? In custody, I'm going to want a referral to felony drug court and a TAP evaluation. If not accepted in felony drug court, then follow TAP recommendations. I'm going to want a gang evaluation done. And probation, how long is that in custody? Okay, so gang evaluation in custody. And if he doesn't meet the criteria, then do you think ISP is appropriate? Probation, is there anything else? All right, and I'm going to order no unsupervised contact with minors. That won't be forever. Just make sure you do your parenting classes so you can have contact with your child, but it just has to be supervised, and it needs to be supervised by somebody who is worthy of supervising a child, all right?
Yeah, that's kind of like.
Well, I mean,
As long as it ain't forever, because I do pick up my son, I take my son out. Like I'm not just no deadbeat.
yeah. No, it's not forever, but this is what I always tell people, because sometimes when I make these orders, people look at it as them like, hey, I'm a good parent to my son, you know, why would you do that? But then I always ask them to step outside of yourself. You're here before me for possession of meth. You just told me everything that has happened with your drug use since you've been in school, right? Since you were a teenager. Yes. And so now you before me with this meth case, and you have to ask yourself, if it wasn't me, if it was just like a complete stranger who has what you have going on, would you allow them to have unsupervised contact with your child? You would want them to prove themselves, right? So part of my thing is I have to protect the community and I have to protect your child. So I'm not saying you can't have visitation. I'm saying the visitation has to be supervised, okay? All right. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, make sure that you're honest with the evaluators, because we're really trying to get you the help you need, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Just very excused.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The interpreter's here.
Oh, okay, thank you. All right, to the interpreter. Hi, come on up. Good morning, how's it going?
Great, yourself.
Siempre me la
All right. So, Mr. Hernandez Solomon, I wanted to make sure you understood what we were discussing. So your case is going to be called back for jury trial on October 20th, 2026. The state has informed me that they have everything uploaded. Your attorney will be able to confer with them up until October 2026. And that's going to be your jury trial date and your plea deadline date. If there are any issues that your counsel wants to address with the court before that date, he can come in before that date. Do you understand?
Okay, yes.
All right. And the reason why your date is October 20th is because even though this is the first time that this case is on the docket in this court, this is an old case.
Yeah.
Right. Do you have any questions?
No,
All right. Thank you. Do you need me to sign anything?
no, I got it this morning.
All right. Thank you.
Good to see you, Sean.
Yes,
Thank you. Have a nice day.
you too.
Okay, thank you.
Is there anyone else with a reset? Yes,
Or get the record from the court.
sure. Who's your client?
Milton. Franklin.
All right, let me find him. Yes. Let me see.
On page 3, Judge.
Thank you. Yes.
So we've been communicated an offer.
Mhm.
At the moment, my client is rejecting the offer.
All right, Mr. Milton Franklin, come forward, please. Hi. How are you doing? All right, I honestly don't know why you're on the docket today because you're actually set for jury trial on August 17th.
It's the 13th.
No, you're set on the August 17th for jury trial.
We had a court date today for whatever reason, but we're gonna come back on the 7th.
Norma, give him a reset form for jury trial, August 17th, please. All right. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank you, Young.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
All right, the party's on Albert Joe Dominguez. Counsel, is this an application?
No, they didn't. Yeah.
Okay. Court is calling 2026 CR 001952, State versus Albert Joe Dominguez Jr. Can I have parties announced?
Brendan Prater for the state.
And Jeffrey Martinez for defense.
And are you Mr. Dominguez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor. I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Dominguez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge. What happens?
Oh, no, that's the,
The rejected form. Oh, at the end.
all right, Mr. Dominguez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. It's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Dominguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 180 days in the state jail facility. This run concurrent with 2025 CC 008316. State is taking in consideration 2026 PF 28857. Did you understand that to be your plea? State defense, is that the plea?
It is, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence.
Judge, you have state exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
Your Honor, defense is no objection.
All right, did you review the waiver? State, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, just ask that you do approve and accept the agreement from the state.
All right, the court will find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days in the state jail facility, give you credit for any time served. This run concurrent with 2025 CC 008316. Take in consideration 2026 PF 28857, and there's to be no residing in households with minors and no unsupervised contact with minors. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so here's the thing. This is the law, regardless of what somebody has told you. Doesn't matter if you have drugs on you and they're for personal use. You still can be arrested. Understand? Because it's illegal. All right? You're going to have to make better decisions. Otherwise, you're going to spend the rest of your life in prison, or somebody's going to end up identifying your body. You understand? All right. When you're released, you need to go to a sober support living home. You need to go and get help with your drug addiction. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you.
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
All right. Just give me a second.
The question is. Hey. Hey, for that question where it's like, the jurors want to know, can we write on the jury? And how dare you engage on the jury? That's what- We are all excited.
Okay, if you'll call defense counsel back.
Yes, Judge, I'll call him right now.
Thank you.
Did she say first?
And who's the attorney here on Rudolfo Palma? Or is Mr. Palma here?
I think he's including part 5, I would just.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so
I'll call the attorney right now.
just a second.
Yes.
Oh.
Can you give me that, what's being printed?
Yes.
All right, who do you have?
Hi, Mr. West.
All right, Mr. West, is this MTR or no? Okay, thank you.
It's been a while since I've been in here, Judge. Which side do I stand on?
Here, that's okay.
You should be standing over here.
Should
be.
Too long.
Good.
All right, this is your attorney who's recently been appointed to you. So I'm going to give you a reset so that he can make sure that he has all the discovery, okay? All right, so Norma, I need a reset date, 30 days for discovery. All right, we'll bring you back on September 14th.
Yeah.
Or you, I'm sorry, I got my date. The 14th is good.
All right, so we'll have you back on September 14th. All right, once you sign the reset form, you will be I'm sorry, you don't need a reset form, but counsel, you're excused.
Thank you.
All right, state defense, here's the question. Do you have it? I've attached the answer. Let me know if you have any objections to it. Anyone else ready? All right, we're going on our break. I will see everyone back here at 1:30.